S1, June 2015, question 9. Okay, so in this question, well, we're given little f. So we know at some point we're probably going to need to integrate to get big F. All right, little f as a function then just exists between 1 and 2. That's why it says it's naught otherwise. So to get e of 1 over x, I do 1 over x times f of x, right, between the two limits of 1 and 2. So I simplify that through first of all. So I multiplied the brackets by 4/9 and by 1 over x to give me that expression. I now go through and integrate it all, right, to give me that. So 16 over 9 goes to there, 4/9 x squared goes to there. Between 2 and 1, so it's a typical definite integral. I put x equals 2 in first, work that out. Then take away what happens when I put x equals 1 in, and that gives me the e of 1 over x is 20 over 27. All right, to get big F then, this is where I need to integrate. And I integrate between the lower limit of 1 and t. I take my f of x function, which I've just expanded the brackets on. I integrate that expression between t and 1. Treat it as a definite integral then to put t as the top limit in, 1 as the bottom limit. And that works through to give me that expression for big F. Once I got big F, that's my probability generating function. So to do the probability for part BII, that is between 1.75 and 1.25, is simply big F of 1.75, take away big F of 1.25, which works out to be 0.5625. Then the next part of this question is asking about the median. So the median needs big F, so I've got big F of m is equal to 0.5. With that then, it looks quite complicated and what's going to become a quadratic equation. I've got rid of the brackets by timesing by, got rid of the fraction by timesing by 9. Right, I then rearrange it to get a quadratic in m squared. This will probably need the quadratic formula because I don't think it's going to factorize. A is 1, B is minus 8, C is 11.5. I put that through my formula, and of course that's m squared equals, not m equals. Right, I just work that through. The square root thing in the brackets is 18. The only one that's going to give me an answer, because remember, because m is the median, it's got to be in our limits. So it's got to be between 1 and 2. So I got m squared is equal to that. And that just simplifies through to give me m is equal to 1.37.